I'm going to talk about other people in this video because, quite frankly, talking about myself isn't really that exciting. It just isn't. So I'm going to talk about other people. Team Passion Beachbody coaches. We have brought in 12 people over the last 24 hours. We brought in 29 people over the last 7 days. We are producing healthier people. Now, who else can say that outside of Team Beachbody? Largely us. That's incredible. Everybody that goes on Shakeology has a success story to share. And with this many people getting on right now, that means we are going to have a boat ton of new success stories in the next week or so. And in the next month or so, we're probably going to have a really good bulk load of blood panel before and afters showing that risk factors, all of them, have minimized for a heart attack and stroke. Cholesterol dropping, good cholesterol up, blood pressure dropping. There's going to be stories coming out of this of people that had gallbladder problems, gallstones, kidney stones, who no longer have those issues anymore. There's going to be diabetics that have come out of the diabetic range. You guys, I hope you appreciate what it is that we're doing and the huge difference that we're making in people's lives. And that's not even to mention all the weight that's going to be lost from fat and simple things like that. Easier to just enjoy your life and be healthy and happier. There's going to be a lot of stories coming out real soon here. And man, I can't wait to share them because I know they're coming with this volume of people signing up to take advantage of what's going on right now. The free discounts, people, everybody right now that's signing up, as you know, is saving $80 right off the bat to get this stuff, the Shakeology, and that's not even the truly valuable thing. It's these stories